it becomes so easy for the people to buy gold as low as 100. One more important data for all of you to see is 23-24 digital gold market was 4,000 crore. It is growing at 30-35% annually. So 2026-27, we would be 9,000, close to 10,000 crore of market. The market has almost doubled. It has become 2.5 times, and it will grow further. So there is a huge opportunity as far as asset class is concerned. Good evening, everyone. Thank you. After a wonderful lunch, I think, we are gathered here. So I will be presenting something away from the topic. We have talked about mutual fund for the entire couple of days. The day will end today. So I'm going to talk about a different asset class altogether, which is traditional in nature. So first, let's see the video. Okay. So we at Batuk, you've seen the video. A large population of India is underserved, we know, and we have seen that there are a lot of financial inclusion that needs still to be done. And at Bharat Batuk, we represent a traditional asset class the modern way. So we say that we bring gold in a digital form. So gold reimagined, we will go straight to this. So this, typically the graph represents what we do and what do we bring to the table for the entire Indian population. So first you see the MMTC and Pampa refineries where we have tied up. Sorry. So these are the refineries whom we have partnered, to bring digital gold. This gold is in digital form, but actually it is kept in the vault as a secured form of physical gold. So we have tied up with two of India's largest refineries, MMTC, PAM and Augment. So MMTC manages their own digital platform. Augment manages the digital gold through their trustee companies called Valgo Retail Service. So anything that you buy in form of digital is allocated immediately as a physical gold in the vault. So if we see the market inside, how the commodity called gold and silver has performed since 1960. Probably 1960, many of us were not born, but still I want to depict the data. 1960, the gold prices was 112. But if you take a little bit ahead in the graph, 2000, the price of the gold was 4,400. And today, you're taking an average, it is 80,000. So gold actually has given an 11.8% of CAGR year on year for the last 20-25 years. But what is important to know, everybody talks about gold because we Indians are obsessed with gold. We feel that gold is a thing of value. When we possess, it gives us the emotional quotient in the society. I possess X amount of gold. But not that a lot of people talk about silver. So if you see the silver graph here, from 1980s, typically why we have taken 1980s is 1980 is when the formal data for the pricing was available. So if you look at 1980s, 27 rupees, and from 27 2024, we are at 1020. So if you see the graph typically of gold and silver, you will see silver has given more consistent return over a period of 25-30 years, but is less talked about. We all talk about gold. So I think silver is a wonderful asset where we should allocate money here as an asset class going forward. And you know, it gives a consistent return over a long period of time. So what are the market inside? So this is the price that we have told you. And what do we do? Typically, if you say this is a very nascent concept in India, the digital gold. I think the people with the vast experience in the financial management that are here, we know when we talk about asset class, we talk about ETF and SGB primarily. Hardly we talk about the digital gold. Suddenly, digital gold is picking up, you know, in a big way. And it is better that we allocate, you know, money of the clients to digital gold platform as well. Because earlier when you know, a lot of you would be doing asset allocation, we used to talk 10, 20, 50, 8, 10% kind of allocation in gold. Times have changed. Today we have to look at, you know, at least 25, 30% of, you know, asset allocation in gold. Because that is how the young population, you know, operates and or they behave. If you see, I was hearing somebody yesterday, there was a data that they shared, 65% of the young people, 65% of the time that they spend on mobile is on e-commerce platform, YouTube, you know. So a lot of people are onto the, you know, app-based thing. So that is how young people and people are now seeing, and with the changing times, we are seeing the market dynamic also changing. So this is a very important, so if you see the data, 12 crore customers have engaged in digital gold ever in India. So they have either transacted, they have put in money, withdrew, redeemed the money. 4 crore population are still holding digital gold. I mean, this is a minuscule number if you talk about the way mutual fund is expanding and the other asset classes are expanding. So there are a lot of things that need to be done on this, and we feel this is an asset class which cannot be ignored going forward. Because if you leave it, somebody else will do it. Just to give you an example, you know, last month Axis Bank has come up with digital gold on their platform. So I mean, if you see, banks are entering into this space. So there is a lot of, you know, skin in the game, what they say. So I feel that with asset allocation, it is important that we put in, you know, asset allocation in digital gold space as well, because SGB is becoming non-lucrative. You know what has happened in the past with the government, you know, not keen on coming with new series and all. And ETF today, if you see, ETF has got a lot of regulation. You need a, you know, KYC. Digital gold, we are like a jewelry platform. So, I mean, 4 crores is a small number. So, I think this is a space where a lot of investors will come in. So, our role, your role as an MFD, the distributors, becomes of utmost importance of getting money into that asset class. So, stable return, 11 point, as I told you earlier, 11.1%, 11.8% return. What is the market opportunity? This is a big thing. If you see, digital gold suddenly has picked up. And there is a huge opportunity in digital gold because gold culturally has imbibed in us, you know, see, it is a concern of security for us, it's an emotional quotient. We feel happy by possessing digital gold. And everybody wants to possess it, whether he is from the lower strata of the society or the other, everybody wants to have gold in their kitty. So, and recent data shows that RBI also has fetched 78.1 ton of digital gold this year has bought. So, I mean, this also acts during the time of uncertainty. We have seen when to counter inflation, geopolitical tension which happens, you see the gold prices going up. Why? Because gold is the only cash. everything is credit elsewhere. If you see, if I have gold, I go back to the jeweler, he gives me cash. Whether the rate is lower or higher, it depends upon the market. But if you have gold and go it, you can get cash on it. So the government also possesses gold because they need to print notes and boost the economy. So I feel there's a lot of untapped opportunity here, and we at Bharat Batuk have designed a digital platform. When I take you through the presentation, I'll show you. We are a facilitator and an interface between the refinery and you, so that we can reach out to the last person in this country. It becomes so easy for the people to buy gold as low as 100. One more important data for all of you to see is 23-24 digital gold market was 4,000 crore. It is growing at 30-35% annually. So 2026-27, we would be 9,000, close to 10,000 crore of market. The market has almost doubled. It has become 2.5 times, and it will grow further. So there is a huge opportunity as far as asset class is concerned to get our clients here and tell them what is the importance of digital gold. People might like to possess physical gold, but physical gold today has a holding cost. It has a security concern. Somebody has 2 kilos of gold. If you put it in your house, there is a security concern. You don't want to put it there. If you want to put it in the locker, there is a cost involved. There is a holding cost that you have to pay for holding that gold. But if you possess the digital gold in a digital form, there is no, it is a hassle-free thing. So what we do, it is going automatic, something wrong. Some technology issue, any which ways. So at Bharat Batuk, basically if you see, we are a B2B platform. We have got, an opportunity to have a partner portal. What we do for you is create a partner portal for you, give it to you, where you can, bring in your clients and interact online, basically do an inter-transaction online. And we also have the best part is leveraging technology. We have an in-house 24 technology team headed by our CTO, who is an ex-TCS. We have inbuilt this app at our Noida office in Uttar Pradesh, where the team sits, and we try to leverage technology and facilitate all the partners who come in with us. Not only for Batuk, anything that is needed as far as technology, there is a cost of technology. But we understand that since we already have manpower with us, it is always better that we facilitate and help people, because not that a lot of people in the country are technology savvy. There are markets where people are not technology savvy. So they work traditionally we help them build up their IT infrastructure as well and get into a product asset class which is important. So what are our product offering? If you see our product offering, we have digital gold, digital silver, gold SIPs and silver SIP, gold FD and jewelry. So all these 5 products are basically there on our digital platform. So you will be made available through your portal, the partners portal, all this product. Digital gold is basically holding gold in a digital form, and one of the important things that I wanted to mention here is basically the moment somebody buys digital gold, immediately the equivalent amount of gold is kept secured in the vault of the refineries. So, if you buy from MMTC or if you buy from Augment, the relevant quantity of the purchased gold or silver is kept in the refineries for you to view. So, MMTC has got their refinery at Sona Road, Haryana. Augment is a Bombay-based company. So, while Valgo manages, they are also based out of Mumbai. So, they're somewhere in Gujarat, they have their refineries. We have been able to, visit both the places and understand how does this logistic work, because when we are trying to partner and get people on board, we have to be sure of, whom we are partnering and what we are doing as far as, this partnership is concerned. So you have SIPs, you have FD gold. FD gold is like the SGB. FD gold is basically leasing out your digital gold and getting certain interest. How does it work? it works that a lot of jewelers have requirement for the gold to make jewelry. So they come out basically with schemes of 3 months, 6 months, 9 months. So what does Augment do? The digital gold that is kept with Augment, they take 125% of the bank guarantee and present to you the various scheme of basically investing or leasing your gold. So it is presented like Tanishq and everybody presents you that, okay, I want to lease out the gold. Similarly, we present to you digital FD. So gold FD is basically, if you see, it is, an income that you make out of the gold that's lying. So we make about 2.5% of interest on the digital gold if you lease out. These schemes are short term. These are basically for 6 months, 9 months that come as per the requirement of the jeweler community. Then you have jewelry. We have got basically machine made jewelry depicted. The catalog is there on our app. You can see and you can get this jewelry by booking on the app and getting it insured till the last mile, OTP verified. So something which you have bought for your client, for example, at Lalit, and something goes wrong outside the gate of Lalit, and that is insured. Till the time you share the OTP, it is not considered to be delivered at your client's place. So these are the people behind the scenes. I am Sanjay, I am the CEO and co-founder. There are 6 people here who are involved in this business. Pralab Gupta, who's our CTO, and he is also a co-founder. Mr. Divyanshu Kapoor, co-founder, COO, Sanjay Pandey, co-founder, and he's a mentor. He supports us in whatever mentoring is required to build up a business for us. Vivek Barulia is a co-founder. Amit ji is a ex-veteran of this industry, so he helps us design strategy and plan us how to move ahead in this space. So this is what we wanted to present. I will also present to you a small video on the portal that we are trying to give it to you. How does it work? A flow chart of once you come to us, we give you a portal wherein, like you do mutual fund transaction, you will have all the client, you send a link to him, he makes the payment, he or she makes the payment, and it comes into your dashboard. And similarly, an information of the digital gold is presented to him. He can see his quantity of digital gold on our app on the wallet. The video, please. So this is how the portal looks like. This is your dashboard. These are the clients that you want to sell. So you click and you can send, and this gives you how the portal looks like, and it's a very user-friendly portal that we have built up, wherein you can execute the transaction, both buy and sell at a click of a fingertip, and the orders can be sent and can be executed. So there are a couple of things that I wanted to tell you apart from the PPT that we had, that at Bharat Batuk, we are trying to create a mass product. That is why we have kept 100 rupees as the minimum amount through which you can possess digital gold and digital silver. And importantly, we are not taking any money in our account. The money that the client pays goes directly to the refineries. You will get the invoice directly from Augment or MMTC. So anything that is related to security is concerned, so we are only a facilitator as far as Bharat Batuk is concerned. Every owner of the gold is the person who purchases and the person who gives away. So that is the refinery. We are just an interface, so this gives a lot of confidence in people, because when I travel and talk to a lot of people in the conferences like you, they ask me, suppose what happens if suddenly Bharat Batuk is not there? If Bharat Batuk is not there, you need not worry, because everything is on the refineries. The invoice is issued by refineries, the payment goes to refineries, your gold is lying in the vault in form of physical, physical stock with refineries. Even if we are there or not there, the gold is with the refineries. So that gives the confidence in people that when you buy digital gold, it comes directly from refineries. So we have an exhibitors at one of the stalls at Bharat Batuk. People who have not visited, I would request them to please come and visit us, and do download the Batuk app. It is available on iOS and Android to understand what we do. Buy 100 rupees of gold. If you do something which is practically, if you're buying it, you get more understanding on the product. So I would request each one of you to download Batuk app and meet. If you want, we can take questions and answers because of paucity of time. Thank you very much. Thank you. Good evening.
Thank you so much, Sanjay sir. Be there, please.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Good evening. Thank you. Have a great day. Thank you.